Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 10 Pro and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So I'd like to begin with the secret code. So let's open the dialer, tap on the keypad and enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK. And now another way through the settings. So let's open the settings. Here we have to scroll down to find About Phone. And now we have to scroll down to find IMEI numbers. And as you can see, they are in the device details. We've got both of them for the first and the second SIM slot. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.